Natural science has invaded and transformed human life all the more practically through the medium of industry, and has prepared human emancipation, although its immediate effect had to be the furthering of the dehumanization of man. Industry is the actual, historical relationship of nature. The nature which develops in human history, the genesis of human society, is man's real nature, hence nature as it develops through industry, even though in an estranged form, is true anthropological nature. Subjectivity and objectivity, spirituality and materiality, activity, Tätigkeit and suffering, lose their antithetical character, and, thus their existence as such antitheses only within the framework of society. We see how the resolution of the theoretical antitheses is only possible in a practical way, by virtue of the practical energy of man. Their resolution is therefore by no means merely a problem of understanding, but a real problem of life, which philosophy could not solve precisely because it conceived this problem as merely a theoretical one.
In general, it is always empirical businessmen we are talking about when we refer to political economists, who represent their scientific creed and form of existence. Under private property, each tries to establish over the other an alien power, so as thereby to find satisfaction of his own selfish need. The increase in the quantity of objects is therefore accompanied by an extension of the realm of the alien powers to which man is subjected, and every new product represents a new potentiality of mutual swindling and mutual plundering. Man is directly a natural being. As a natural being and as a living natural being, he is on the one hand endowed with natural powers, vital powers. He is an active natural being. These forces exist in him as tendencies and abilities, as instincts. On the other hand, as a natural, corporeal, sensuous objective being, he is a suffering, conditioned and limited creature, like animals and plants. A being which does not have its nature outside itself is not a natural being, and plays no part in the system of nature. A being which has no object outside itself is not an objective being.